Hello, people. So I'm very much sitting at home, but I thought I'll wear this particular, jade stone necklace that I got from this place called Angol, which is in the Andhra Pradesh area. And see this little ring also that comes with it. It's again jade stone. So I was just checking out. Jade stone apparently helps with. It is. It's a very. It clears out the toxins in the body, like. Specifically, it helps with the kidneys apparently, and also it is rejuvenating and a whole bunch of. And it will prevent you from some illness and accidents. And I have personal experience of this. The Chinese believe that a jade stone is able to absorb any kind of bad energy that is around you, and it will take it in such that the stone will break instead of something happening to you. And it has happened in one case with me, where stone normally doesn't break, like it is but this certain chain snatching type incident that had happened with me. So uh, it was just miraculous how, like, I was with my little child, and this was when my kid was 2 years old. So it was a dark road, and I was walking on it with my child. And then there was this scooterist that came and tugged at my chain. It was a gold chain that time. And it was just so weird. But finally the chain remained on my shoulder, and the pendant fell down somewhere. But when I got home that day, there were these particular jade stone earrings that I was very fond of, and they were very carefully kept in my drawer of my thing. I happened to come home and just open the drawer, and those stones, one of them at least, had a big crack on it. So I can't explain it, because it's not as if I dropped that stone anywhere, or like I really I believe that these stones protect me. So somewhere I feel like what the Chinese believe, that jade stone takes on the negative energy, it really came true for me that day. This is such a long 2-minute long video, but I felt I should make this. So thanks, people. I would highly recommend. Stones do have energies and all, but of course there's that higher power that reigns above all of us. So it is just this small thing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.